Hey guys, MzBrooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, MzBrooklyn's BeYouty-Corner. In my last video, I showed you exactly how I got this gorgeous custom color. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I installed my wig and made my lace melt into my scalp. I styled this wig 2 different ways, and I'm going to show you just how I did that. So let's just get started. Back again with the ranky danky Meek Mills. So this is my custom unit. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. My hair is from Yiroo hair. I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box. I have in 4 bundles and a frontal. I custom colored it. Like I mentioned, I showed you how I got this color in my last video. Everybody going crazy for it on the gram. Thank you guys for all the love on this beautiful color. And yeah, this, like I said, this is Yiroo hair. I'm going to put it down below in the description box for you all. So I made a wig, you guys. I have tons of wig tutorials on my channel. And we're just going to focus on how I just, lay this baby down. Right now, all I'm doing is I'm placing it on my head and I'm cutting off the tabs. And you guys, my detailed frontal tutorial video that I just did, I will have it linked in the description box so you can understand some of the terms I'm using. But as you can see, I just measured my frontal from ear to ear, and I'm just showing you guys you can part this frontal anywhere, side, middle, it doesn't matter, part it anywhere. I'm gonna just go ahead and start doing the baby hairs. Like I said, I have a detailed frontal video I just did, so you guys can check it out. And one of my golden rules is it's better to underpluck than overpluck. So I plucked it when I first did my wig, and I underplucked it because once it's on your head, like, it changes everything. So now that it's on my head and the wig is completed, I see that I need to pluck some more. Now in this video, I didn't pluck enough, but later on, I actually did pluck a little bit more. It looks, listen, girl, my thing looks official. Like, I'm really getting better with this frontal game. I told y'all, I'm really about to start slaying these frontals. Like, y'all not hearing me. Like, what's the matter? Am I not speaking? No, I'm just joking. I'm just happy I came a long way with the frontal game. I'm not a professional. Let me just say this. I know, like, I've seen more realistic frontals than that, but, I'm learning. So cut me my slack, okay? Now all I'm doing is trimming off the excess lace. So as you can see, this, if you watch my last frontal video, it's a lot different. The routine is different. I'm like I said, I'm still learning and I'm trying to find what works for me. So everything is good. I'm gonna take my rinky danky got to be glued gel, and I'm going to actually apply it to where I'm going to lay my lace down. I'm applying the hair gel in front of my hairline. Anyway, I'm taking my blow dryer. I'm going to use it on the cool setting, and I'm going to start blow drying that gel because I'm looking for optimal stickiness. And I'm going to take my Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm going to spray the edges of my hairline where I put the gel, and I'm going to also blow dry that and wait for it to get tacky. So as you can see, I got the stickiness, and I'm gonna go ahead and place the frontal where I want it to, being very careful. I do it part by part. Like, I do one side, then I do the center, then I do the other side, because I don't want to mess up. I'm going to take the tail end of the comb, making sure I don't use my fingers because your fingers have oil, and I'm just going to press that into my scalp. And what you see me doing here is taking the cold air from the blow dryer, and I'm using that to press the hair into my scalp. I'm taking this Motions foaming wrapping lotion. Like, this Motions wrapping lotion is bomb. I highly recommend it. I love it. Like, I freaking love this thing. I'm laying it down all over the front of the hair. I don't have to put it anywhere else, just there. Now, the very next step I'm about to do, I couldn't find my hot iron comb I would recommend your hot iron comb, but I couldn't find mine. I think one of my cousins have mine. So I was using my flat iron. Watch how you see that hairline disappear. Like, what lace? Say it with me, everybody. What lace, B? What lace? Like, it starts to freaking disappear and melt into my scalp. Like, honey, look at the other side. Like, where? How you gonna tell us a lace? No, you guys, Instagram got me acting a plum fool. I am really not like this in real life. I'm just super hyped right now, and I watch way too many stupid videos on Instagram. I feel like it's melting my brain cells, and my IQ is going down. I'm gonna read a really, really good book after this. I'm going in and I'm plucking and defining some more. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on the baby hairs, cutting it and shaping it. I'm going to take my edge control brush and my wrapping foaming lotion, and I'm going to start laying my baby hairs into place. This part is kind of self-explanatory, but I highly recommend you using the wrapping lotion first and then using some edge control. Now, this is some Eben edge control, like Eben, New York. I read on a post online that it was one of the best edge controls out there, and that's like beauty supply store edge control. So I bought a sample of it to see if it really works, and baby, when I tell you that edge control is bomb, okay? Like, bomb. I really do like it. And I'm just gonna do it section by section because I'm not really that good at baby hair, so I really it takes me a while, so I do it section by section. And like I said, I didn't pluck enough for my liking, but the second go around, I did pluck some more, so now it looks a lot better. But yeah, you get the gist of what I'm doing with the baby hairs. I'm gonna wrap it down with a headscarf for about 25 minutes and let it set, and then yeah, this is what you have afterwards. When I tell you, on swim, y'all dizzy? Like, y'all seasick? Like, y'all not seasick? No, I'm not really doing my part. My hair's on heard you, huh? My frontal said heard you, B. Did it? Y'all heard it? It said heard you. No, let me stop. I was really feeling it. So all I did here was straighten out my hair, and you guys saw the finished product in the intro of this video, and all my pics on the gram, that was the finished product. So here we have, I'm about 2 days later, and don't look at my baby face, okay? Don't look at it. And I don't know why I'm so washed out here. I think my ring light was way too light, but I'm just gonna comb it out and put some heat protectant spray in it. And with the heat protectant spray, y'all know what it's going to do, right? I'm going to curl my hair. This is a 1.5 inch barrel. It's going to protect my hair from frying. So I'm going to do some curls. I'm curling away from my face. I'm curling back. And then I'm going to set it with some foam curlers or some Velcro curlers. I recommend the foam curlers. To be honest with you, I was experimenting. I wanted to see what curls would do a better job at giving me like the loose beach wave hair that I wanted. The foam curlers gave me a tighter curl, and the Velcro rollers gave me a looser beach wave curl. The very next day that I did this hairstyle again 2 days later, and I used jumbo foam curlers. I used about 4 gigantic jumbo foam curlers, and it gave me the exact look I wanted. I did not want a really tight curl. I wanted a very loose curl, but the curls came out tighter than I wanted. It was cute or whatever, but it wasn't what I wanted. So I quickly learned. I did this hairstyle again 2 days later, and I used the gigantic foam curlers, flexi rods, the green one, and I only put like 4 in. So you see how much curls I have? It just gave me too much of a bounce. I didn't want that. I just wanted, you know, little cute, little bouncy curls. Like, you know, I didn't want that. And I was fighting the flexi rod to come out of my hair. It was like, yo, on site, I will fight a flexi rod. Don't play with me. Like, you don't know I'm crazy. Like, y'all see that tight curl? My face was like, ew, no. Like, for me, them tight curls is like, it's too much. I'm taking some serum, I'm running it through the hair, and I'm gonna rake my fingers through the hair to get as much curls out as possible. And yeah, that's it. This is what you get. This is the final look. And yeah, I was feeling myself. Don't pay my bottom lashes any mind. I was experimenting with makeup that day. It was a fail. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If it was entertaining, if you learned something, thumbs this video up for the kid. That helps us out immensely. You know, our BeYouty corner grows a lot. And yeah, follow me on my social media networks because I be slaying my pics on the gram. And let me know which look you like, straight or the curly hair. I don't know, like y'all know I be living for some straight hair. Like I be living. All right guys, I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.